Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's review, we're checking out the Holy Stone HS900 GPS drone, the perfect choice for anyone looking to step up their drone game. Before we dive into the features, make sure to check the link below for the best price on this amazing drone. Let's get started. Stunning 4K camera with 48MP photo. The Holy Stone HS900 is equipped with a high-definition 4K/30fps video camera, making it perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. Whether you're shooting landscapes, action shots, or anything in between, you'll get crystal clear video and photos. With the 48MP camera, you can also capture incredibly detailed stills. Smooth and stable footage with 3-axis brushless gimbal. One of the standout features of this drone is the 3-axis brushless gimbal, which ensures ultra-stable footage, even in windy conditions. Whether you're flying over mountains or through forests, your video quality remains smooth and shake-free. Long range and smart features. The HS900 has an impressive 20,000 feet transmission range, allowing you to capture shots from a distance. Plus, it comes with visual tracking and follow me mode, meaning the drone will automatically follow you around for effortless filming, making it perfect for vlogs, travel videos, or capturing adventure. GPS and smart return. Equipped with GPS, the drone offers smart return to home functionality, ensuring it automatically returns to the takeoff point if the battery is low or the signal is lost. This provides added peace of mind while flying, especially for beginners. Lightweight and easy to carry. At just 249 grams, the HS900 is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to take with you on all your adventures. It's the perfect drone for traveling, hiking, or just getting outside to capture stunning shots. Final thoughts. The Holy Stone HS900 GPS drone is a game changer for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its fantastic 4K camera, smart flying features, and lightweight design, it's a must-have for anyone looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. Don't forget to check out the link below for the best price, hit that like button, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.